Hello and welcome back to Physical Geology. I am Robert Lopez, your instructor for this course, and in this video I'd like to discuss the Smartwork assignments, the homework assignments that come along with your textbook, and how to access that external source. And then also I want to go through the Google Earth exercises and how to download the KMZ files. So first, let's start off with the Smartwork assignment. So in the first module, you'll find that I have a link to the ebook and the Smartwork 5 assignment. So you'll click on here, and if you access Smartwork from here, it'll take you directly to the Norton website where it will ask you for the registration code that came with your textbook, your email. Um, uh, Again, if you didn't buy a textbook or if you bought a used textbook that did not come with a registration code, you can still access the Smartwork homework assignments by either purchasing a license for $25 from them at the website, or I think there's an option where you can sign up for free for about 6 weeks, which is the duration of this course. So I'd recommend that route. So anyways, what I want to do is actually to show you the Smartwork. The way you're going to access the Smartwork is in any chapter. Well, in fact, let's just pick chapter 2, the second part of plate tectonics. You'll see that once you look at, if you click the link that I have in Canvas to the Smartwork homework assignments, in this case, the chapter 2 reading quiz, you'll click here and it'll ask you to load Smartwork in a new window. So this is an external tool that I built into our Canvas LMS, or Learning Management System, that'll take you directly to that quiz in the Norton web page. So we'll click here, and you can see it's going to open it over here. And here, the first thing you'll notice, you'll see your email, and then you'll want to make sure that you're connected to the LMS, right? So that means you're connected to the Learning Management System, which is our Canvas system. So any work you do here, the grades, the points will go directly back to our Canvas homepage back at West Valley College, right? So in this case, the reading quiz, you would take the quiz here, and then after finishing this quiz, you'll submit it, and then the grades should be recorded back over here in Canvas. So again, by clicking on that link, it'll take you to the external tool, and then you'll see the grades populated in our gradebook here on Canvas. But obviously, you still need that registration code, get signed up, and it's pretty straightforward. If you have any problems, just send me an email, and we can get working on that. Now, the next thing I want to look at is the Google Earth and KMZ files. So we'll click here, and you'll need to put Google Earth on your computer. And the way Google Earth is set up now is that they want you to use Chrome. So they ask you to download Chrome. But you'll find that the KMZ files we have for the assignments that come along with our Canvas quizzes do not work on Chrome. So you'll need to download Earth Pro on desktop, right? So click here on the Earth Pro on desktop, and then you'll want to download this older version of Google Earth. And once you download that, then you can download the KMZ file, right? So I've already done it for my computer. Go ahead, it's a free download, get that going. Now, for the KMZ files, there's really two. There's the GeoTours, which is the main one where most of the assignments are going to be for the Google Earth exercises, and then the Seismograph Locations KMZ file. So download both of them. We'll use this one only for the seismology earthquake lab we do later in the course. So when you click on the GeoTours 2E file here, you'll see that it's going to go to your So it's a GeoTours file. You'll double click on this, and it'll ask to open in Google Earth. There it is. So it's going to open automatically here. And I've already downloaded it on my computer, so I'm going to have it twice. But let's just open it up and see what it looks like. And again, I have a separate video that shows you how to navigate through the Google Earth exercises here, right? So one of the key things you'll see is you'll see the GeoTours 2E. You'll click on that, it'll download it, and then in the other video that I have, I show you how to get everything going and how to use all these different tools. But one thing that I can show you on this one is that we measure everything in meters, and we do the fact that we already have it set up in decimal latitudes and decimal longitude here. And let's see if we have it in meters here. Well, we can kind of change the settings, and the way you want to change the settings is you want to go up here to the Google Earth Pro tab here, and then click on the preferences, and then here, right? So degrees, minutes, seconds, decimal. So we want to use decimal degrees. I already have it on mine there. And then that's probably one of the first, that's the one we want to use. For latitude and longitude, we want to use decimal degrees. I think for most of you, it'll be set up in degrees, minutes, seconds, but choose a decimal degrees. And then let's leave it at that, because all those other ones, we can change this here right on the fly here from miles to kilometers or meters or inches if we want. But anyways, for the preferences, make sure you use a decimal degrees. So you see degrees in latitude and longitude for decimals down here at the bottom.